We had completed till question number 800. Now we will start from question number 801. Let's begin. Number 801. The Renaissance began in which country? A. France. B. Italy. C. Germany. D. England. D. Italy. Answer is B. Italy. Question number 783. Who is called the father of Renaissance? A. Leonardo da Vinci. B. Petrarch. C. Michelangelo. D. Galileo. Answer is B. Petrarch. 803. The invention of the printing press is credited to A. James Watt. B. Johannes Gutenberg. C. Galileo. D. Copernicus. Answer B. Johannes Gutenberg. Question number 804. Who proposed the heliocentric theory? A. Copernicus. B. Galileo. C. Kepler. D. Newton. Answer A. Copernicus. Question number 805. Galileo. Galilei was tried by the church for supporting whose theory? A. Newton. B. Copernicus. C. Darwin. D. Kepler. Answer B. Copernicus. Question number 806. The Industrial Revolution first started in A. France. B. England. C. Germany. D. USA. Answer B. England. Question number 807. The spinning jenny was invented by A. James Watt. B. Hargreaves. C. Arkwright. D. K.B. Hargreaves. Answer is B. Hargreaves. Question number 808. The steam engine was improved by A. Edison. B. Watt. C. Arkwright. D. Newcomen. Answer B. Watt. Question number 809. The American War of Independence began in A. 1774. B. 1775. C. 1776. D. 1783. Answer is B. 1775. Question number 810. The Declaration of Independence USA was signed in A. 1774. B. 1775. C. 1776. D. 1789. Answer C. 1776. Question number 811. Who drafted the American Declaration of Independence? A. Washington. B. Franklin. C. Jefferson. D. Adams. Answer C. Jefferson. Question number 812. The French Revolution began in A. 1787. B. 1788. C. 1789. D. 1791. Answer is 1789. Question number 813. The slogan of French Revolution was A. Justice, peace, equality. B. Liberty, equality, fraternity. C. Rights, duties, law. D. Unity, strength, freedom. Answer is B. Liberty, equality, fraternity. Question number 814. The storming of which prison symbolized the French Revolution? A. Versailles. B. Bastille. C. Louvre. D. Vatican. Answer is B. Bastille. Question number 815. Who was the king of France during French Revolution? A. Louis XIV. B. Louis XV. C. Louis XVI. D. Louis XVII. Answer C. Louis 16. Question number 816. The reign of terror in France was led by A. Danton. B. Robespierre. C. Napoleon. D. Lafayette. Answer B. Robespierre. Napoleon Bonaparte became emperor in A. 1798. B. 1799. C. 1804. D. 1815. Answer C. 1804. Question number 818. Napoleon was finally defeated in A. Austerlitz. B. Leipzig. C. Waterloo. D. Trafalgar. Answer C. Waterloo. Question number 1819. The American Civil War was fought between A. Britain and USA. B. North and South states of USA. C. France and USA. D. Mexico and USA. Answer B. North and South states of USA. Question number 820. The American Civil War was fought during A. 1845 to 49. B. 1850 to 54. C. 1861 to 65. D. 1870 to 74. Answer C. 1861 to 65. Question number 821. The main issue in American Civil War was A. Independence. B. Slavery. C. Trade. D. Taxation. Answer B. Slavery. Question number 822. Who was the president of USA during Civil War? A. Washington. B. Jefferson. C. Lincoln. D. Roosevelt. C. Answer C. Lincoln. Question number 823. The unification of Italy was led by A. Garibaldi. B. Bismarck. C. Cavour. D. Victor Emmanuel. 2. Answer D. Victor Emmanuel. 2. Question number 824. The unification of Germany was led by A. Hitler. B. Bismarck. C. Frederick. D. William. 1. Answers B. Bismarck. Question number 825. The First World War began in A. 1912. B. 1913. C. 1914. D. 1915. Answer C. 1914. Question number 826. The immediate cause of World War I was A. Invasion of Belgium. B. Assassination of Archduke Ferdinand. C. German militarism. D. Russian Revolution. Answers B. Assassination of Archduke Ferdinand. Question number 827. World War I ended in A. 1917. B. 1918. C. 1919. D. 1920. Answers B. 1918. Question number 828. The Treaty of Versailles 1990 was signed with A. Italy. B. Germany. C. Austria. D. Ottoman Empire. Answers B. Germany. Question number 829. The League of Nations was established in A. 1918. B. 1919. C. 1920. D. 1921. Answer C. 1920. Question number 830. The League of Nations headquarters was in A. New York. B. Paris. C. Geneva. D. London. Answer C. Answer C. Geneva. Question number 831. The Russian Revolution took place in A. 1915. B. 1916. C. 1917. D. 1918. Answer C. 1917. Question number 832. The leader of Bolshevik Revolution was A. Lenin. B. Stalin. C. Trotsky. D. Kerensky. Answers A. Lenin. Question number 833. The ideology of Karl Marx is called A. Socialism. B. Marxism. C. Communism. D. Fascism. Answers B. Marxism. Question number 834. The Great Depression began in A. 1927. B. 1928. C. 1929. D. 1930. Answer C. 1929. Question number 835. The Great Depression began with crash of A. London Stock Exchange. B. Wall Street. C. Paris Stock Exchange. D. Tokyo Exchange. Answers B. Wall Street. Question number 836. The dictator of Italy during World War II was A. Hitler. B. Mussolini. C. Franco. D. Stalin. B. Answers B. Mussolini. Question number 837. The dictator of Germany during World War II was A. Bismarck. B. Hitler. C. Kaiser Wilhelm. D. Goebbels. Answers B. Hitler. Answers B. Hitler. Question number 838. The dictator of Spain during 1930s, 70s was A. Mussolini. B. Franco. C. Stalin. D. Lenin. Answers B. Franco. Question number 1839. World War II began in A. 1937. B. 1938. C. 1939. D. 1940. Answer C. 1939. Question number 840. World War II began with invasion of A. France. B. Belgium. C. Poland. D. Russia. Answer C. Poland. Question number 841. World War II ended in A. 1943. B. 1944. C. 1945. D. 1946. Answer C. 1945. Question number 842. The USA dropped atomic bombs on Hiroshima and Nagasaki in A. 1943. B. 1944. C. 1945. D. 1946. C. Answer C. 1945. Question number 843. Hiroshima was bombed on A. August 4th, 1945. B. August 6th, 1945. C. August 9th, 1945. D. August 12th, 1945. Answer B. 6 August 1945. Question number 844. Nagasaki was bombed on A. August 6, 1945. B. August 7, 1945. C. August 9, 1945. D. 12 August 1945. Answer C. August 9, 1945. Question number 845. The United Nations was formed in A. 1943. B. 1944. C. 1945. D. 1946. Answer is C. 1945. Question number 846. The UN headquarters is in A. Geneva. B. London. C. New York. D. Paris. Answer C. New York. Question number 847. The Cold War was mainly between A. USA and UK, B. USA and USSR and China, D. USA and Germany. Answer is B. USA and USSR. Question number 848. The NATO was formed in A. 1945. B. 1947. C. 1949. D. 1950. Answer is 1945. Question number 849. The Warsaw Pact was signed in A. 1953. B. 1954. C. 1955. D. 1956. Answer is 1955. Question number 850. The Cuban Missile Crisis was occurred in A. 1960. B. 1961. C. 1962. D. 1963. And the answer is C. 1962. Question number 851. Marshall Plan was aimed at A. Asia recovery. B. Africa development. C. European recovery post World War II. D. Middle East oil control. Answer is C. European recovery post World War II. Question number 852. The Berlin blockade and airlift took place in A. 1947 to 248. B. 1948 to 49. C. 1949 to 50. D. 1950 to 51. Answer B. 1948 to 49. Question number 853. The Korean War was fought during A. 1948 to 50. B. 1950 to 53. C. 1953 to 56. D. 1956 to 59. Answer C. 1950 to 53. Question number 854. North Korean was supported by. Question number 854. North Korean was supported by A. USA and UK. B. USSR and China. C. France and UK. D. NATO. Answer is B. USSR and China. Question number 855. South Korea was supported by A. NATO. B. USA and UK forces. C. China. D. USSR. Answer is B. USA and UN forces. Question number 856. The Bandung Conference Afro-Asian Solidarity was held in A. 1953. B. 1954. C. 1955. D. 1956. Answer C. 1955. Question number 857. The leaders of Egypt who nationalized Suez Canal was A. Anwar Sadat. B. Nasser. C. Mubarak. D. Farouk. Answer is B. Nasser. Question number 858. The Suez Crisis occurred in A. 1954. B. 1955. C. 1956. D. 1957. Answer C. 1956. Question number 859. The Vietnam War was fought mainly between A. USA and North Vietnam. B. USA and South Vietnam. C. USSR and China. D. France and UK. Answer is A. USA and North Vietnam. Question number 860. Vietnam War lasted until A. 1973. B. 1974. C. 1975. D. 1976. Answer is C. 1975. Number 861. The leader of North Vietnam was A. Ho Chi Minh, Pol Pot. C. Mao Zedong. D. Sukarno. Answer is A. Ho Chi Minh. Question number 862. The apartheid policy was practiced in A. Kenya. B. Nigeria. C. South Africa. D. Egypt. Answer C. South Africa. Question number 863. Who was the first black president of South Africa? A. Desmond Tutu B. Nelson Mandela C. Oliver Tambo D. Jacob Zuma. Answers B. Nelson Mandela. Question number 864. Nelson Mandela was released from prison in A. 1989, B. 1990, C. 1991, D. 1992. Answers B. 1990. Question number 865. Nelson Mandela became president in A. 1922, B. 1993, C. 1994. D. 1995. Answers in 1994. Question number 866. The Cuban Revolution was led by A. Che Guevara, B. Fidel Castro, C. Hugo Chavez, D. Batista. Answers B. Fidel Castro. Question number 867. Fidel Castro came to power in A. 1957, B. 1958, C. 1959, D. 1960. Answers in 1959. Question number 868. The Bay of Pigs invasion of Cuba occurred in A. 1960, B. 1961, C. 1962, D. 1963. Answers B. 1961. Question number 869. The Six-Day War Israel-Arab was in A. 1965, B. 1966, C. 1967, D. 1968. Answer C. 1967. Question number 870. The Yom Kippur War Israel-Arab was in A. 1970, B. 1972, C. 1973, D. 1974. Answer C. 1973. Question number 871. The Camp David Accord Egypt-Israel peace was signed in A. 1977, B. 1978, C. 1979, D. 1980. Answers B. 1978. Question number 872. The Iranian Revolution took place in A. 1977, B. 1978, C. 1979, D. 1980. Answer C. 1979. Question number 873. The Iranian Revolution established rule of A. Monarchy, B. Democracy, C. Islamic Republic, D. Military Junta, Answer C. Islamic Republic. Question 874. The Iran-Iraq War lasted from A. 1979 to 83, B. 1980 to 88, C. 1981 to 89, D. 1982 to 90. Answers B. 1980 to 88. Question 875. The Soviet invasion of Afghanistan began in A. 1978, B. 1979, C. 1980, D. 1981. Answers B. 1979. Question number 876. The USSR drew from Afghanistan in 1987, B. 1988, C. 1989, D. 1990. Answer C. 1989. Question number 877. The Solidarity movement in Poland was led by A. Władysław, B. Gorbachev, C. Khrushchev, D. Tito. Answers A. Władysław. Question number 878. The Berlin Wall was built in A. 1959, B. 1960, C. 1961, D. 1962. Answer C. 1961. Question number 879. The Berlin Wall fell in A. 1987, B. 1988, C. 1989, D. 1990. Answer C. 1989. Question number 880. The USSR dissolved in A. 1989, B. 1990, C. 1991, D. 1992. Answer C. 1991. Question number 881. The last leader of USSR was A. Brezhnev, B. Andropov, C. Gorbachev, D. Yeltsin. Answer C. Gorbachev. Question number 882. The Gulf War Operation Desert Storm took place in A. 1989, B. 1990 to 91, C. 1991 to 92, D. 1992 to 93. Answer B. 1990 to 91. Question number 883. Question 1883. The Gulf War was triggered by invasion of Kuwait by A. Iran, B. Iraq, Saddam Hussein, C. Syria, D. Saudi Arabia. Answers B. Iraq, Saddam Hussein. Question number 884. The 9/11 terrorist attacks on USA occurred in A. 1999, B. 2000, C. 2001, D. 2002. Answer is C. 2001. Question number 885. The war on terror was declared by which US president? A. Clinton, B. Bush Jr., C. Obama, D. Trump. Answers B. Bush Jr. Question number 886. The Iraq War US invasion began in A. 2001, B. 2002, C. 2003, D. 2004. Answer C. 2003. Question number 887. Saddam Hussein was captured in A. 2002, B. 2003, C. 2004, D. 2006. Answer C. 2003. Question number 888. Question number 888. Saddam Hussein was executed in A. 2004, B. 2005, C. 2006, D. 2007. Answer C. 2006. Question number 889. The Arab Spring movements began in A. 2008, B. 2009, C. 2010, D. 2011. Answer C. 2010. Question number 819. The Arab Spring started from which country? A. Libya, B. Egypt, C. Tunisia, D. Syria, C. Answer C. Tunisia. Question number 891. The Libyan ruler killed in Arab Spring was A. Gaddafi, B. Mubarak, C. Azad, D. Saddam. Answer A. Gaddafi. Question number 892. The Syrian civil war began in A. 2010, B. 2011, C. 2012, D. 2013. Answers with 2011. Question number 893. Brexit referendum took place in A. 2014, B. 2015, C. 2016, D. 2017. Answer C. 2016. Question number 894. The UK officially left EU in A. 2019, B. 2020, C. 2021, D. 2020. Question number 895. The Paris Climate Agreement was signed in A. 2014, B. 2015, C. 2016, D. 2017. Answer is 2015. Question number 896. The US withdrew from Paris Agreement in 2017 under A. Obama, B. Trump, C. Biden, D. Bush. Answers B. Trump. Question number 897. The COVID-19 pandemic was declared by WHO in A. 2018, B. 2019, C. 2020, D. 2021. Answer C. 2020. Question number 898. Russia invaded Ukraine in A. 2020, B. 2021, C. 2022, D. 2023. Answer C. 2022. Question number 899. The Israel-Hamas war began in A. 2021, B. 2022, C. 2023, D. 2024. Answer C. 2023. Question number 900. BRICS added new members in 2024, including A. Saudi Arabia, UAE, Iran, Egypt, Argentina, Ethiopia, D. Japan, Germany, Brazil, C. Turkey, Qatar, Indonesia, D. Mexico, Nigeria, Kenya. Answers A. Saudi Arabia, UAE, Iran, Egypt, Argentina, Ethiopia. Completed till question number 900. In the next video, we will cover from question number 901. Till then, keep learning and keep growing. Thank you so much to whoever is watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Alright guys, I'm gonna go now. Please like, comment and subscribe to the channel. If you find my teaching helpful, do share it with your friends so that more people can learn. Okay then, bye.